Nice camouflage. Well, now we in the forest, just walking, and it's cold. I ain't got no jacket, but we finna do this little tour. We just started, and we already found something.
It's right on this leaf.
It's muy poquito.
I have no idea.
He said, watch out for vipers and different types of snakes and stuff. So, hey, Nike sponsor me. I'm not playing. There's a big old spider right there. Oh, that's a leaf. My fault. My fault. False alarm.
There are some of them that are very big. Let me see if I can find one.
These right here. I don't know if that's big.
Yeah, probably that one. Those guys are the soldiers. They will take care of the group when they are moving into the forest. So if they find another group in the same way as they go, they're gonna fight.
So the small ones clean, the medium ones carry the
Exactly.
leaves, and the big ones defend the group.
That's right.
Okay. Anything.
Yeah, any kind
Put your
of
finger in there. See if it's. Oh, that's loud. Oh, that boy working right there. Big leaves, boy.
Pueden haber hasta más de dos.
If y'all see this freeway of ants, this mud goes far.
There's a big nest of those ants in this park.
It's a whole freeway.
I'm gonna show you later.
It's just the most venomous one. So the most venomous snake up there, a viper up there.
43 different species.
See, I got about
Two of them are poisonous.
How many of them poisonous?
22.
Oh, that must hit the binoculars. They want to see too. Yeah, I don't like that.
That's why I tell you don't go out of the trail.
Get off me,
with
buddy.
those vipers here. And they have a nice
I'm finna kill you, honestly.
¿Son agresivos?
They are not aggressive, but if you try to grab it,
So, the most poisonous snake they got is up here in this tree. Y'all can't see it, but my flashlight not that strong. It's that I see it. It's yellow. It's a viper. But we need to go. This flashlight weak. But I promise we're looking at an owl right now. However, they nocturnal. Oh, don't move. Cause y'all vicious, ain't you? Look, told you. So he told us to turn off the lights. Let me see the whole scorpion. Oh, I can't see
it's
Nate.
the bark scorpion. That's one of the scorpions that will have a reaction with the UV light. That's because they have a kind of protein and they are exoskeleton.
I'm gonna get closer. Can you do the UV light one more time?
Sure.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's wild. There's a tarantula in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to see it, but it's there.
Tarantula inside of the hole.
It's there.
And they're gonna.
This tree
suck
big,
the other
man.
tree. The process will take like 14 years, and they become hollow like this one. Right here,
What is that?
they become butterflies in a couple days.
Oh, in a couple of days, they about ready. You can take a little bit of that light off, please? Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tengo
Those are
miedo.
good.
Which one to go?
Black ones.
The black?
Yeah.
You could pass me one, actually.
That's good. Yeah.
Wild blackberries. The goat. You feel me?
You wanna try that?
Something like that.
Yes, please.
Those are wild blackberries.
I don't even know if y'all can see me right now.
This?
Yeah, that one, the
You
black
want me to
one.
do it?
You can take it.
Oh, that looks good.
Right here.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I'm gonna just take the whole little branch back. I'm good. Wow. These boys out here eating, monkeys out here eating good.